this lecture we're going to go over converting between units. So if we start 6.3 miles, and we basically want to cancel the units, so 1.6 kilometers for every 1 mile. Cancel the units. If you multiply across, is 10.08 kilometers, 4 meters cubed, squared, sorry. And we know for every 100 centimeters there is 1 meter. However, because this is squared, we need to indicate the squares with 2. And we can cancel the units now and multiply across. That's 40,000 centimeters squared. Now 60 centimeters squared. We multiply across again to cancel the units. So you have 1 meter for every 100 centimeters. The squares. Cancel the units and multiply across. That's 6 times 10 to the negative 3 meters squared. 3 meters cubed. We have the conversion here, and we want to cancel the units. So now we have 3.281 feet for every meter, and we add the cubes. We can cross out the units and multiply across. Next one, 73, this is miles per hour. And we want to change the units to meters per second. So if we start with mile, there's 1,600 meters for every mile. So now we've cancelled out miles into meters. And now if we take into account the seconds, we do 1 hour for every 3,600 seconds. So now we can cancel out this one and multiply across. So you get 32.4 meters per second. Next one. So we have 930 kilometers per cubic meter. We want to get it into pound moles per cubic feet. If we start with the kilograms, so there's 2.245 pounds per kilogram. Cancel out the kilograms. And we want the meters and feet. Don't forget the to the power of 3. Now we can cancel out them. Multiply across. And that's 58.06. The next one, K is for Kelvin, and that's Rankine, the temperature scales. And so we want to convert it to cubic atmospheric feet per pound mole per Rankine. So 1 joule. And cancel out the joules times, to convert mole to pound mole, you have 1 mole per 2.205 10 to the negative 3 pound mole. So we can cancel out those units, and it's the conversion for Kelvin to Rankine. So 1 K equals 1. If you multiply that across, 8.314 times gives you 0.730 atmospheric feet. And that's it.